We're Jim and Lynn. We're married. We've been married almost 20 years, which is unusual for both of us since we're both divorcees. We're about to renegotiate our verbal contract.
He thinks.
Yeah, our original contract was that we had to live at least 20 years, and that's coming up in October. And we're renegotiating the terms of the next 20 years.
Yeah, in his dreams.
This is where I spend most of the time. And to me, this is just my form of a man cave without a big screen TV playing sports. And that's a small, that's not a big one. There's no facades here. But at the same time, if you don't have some private time, even if it's a few seconds, you're in trouble.
When I'm working on glass, aside from making something beautiful, it's a really restorative kind of activity for me. Basically, it's my private haven. And I am recharged by that alone time, by that separateness, because I'm focused on something else.
You're in your own brain. That's alone time. And that's what most people do around the world. They find a way to have that space that says, I'm safe, I'm secure, even if it's for a nanosecond. I've got it.